guys. So we didn't do an end vlog yesterday because we were so tired by the time we got back from Mickey's Not So Scary. David, Emily and I stayed out till 1 o'clock and Crazy Grandad and Harry came back after the fireworks. It was a fantastic night. The crowds were really low. We managed to get on everything I wanted to do. We didn't stop around and wait for the characters, but I did get some of those magic shots that I really wanted and some of those photos, and we got lots of trick-or-treating done. Lots and lots of candy done. Got to ride Big Thunder Mountain twice. Space Mountain in the dark was really cool. We went about an hour before the party started, so we got some food and went on Goofy's Barnstormer. Yeah, just to name but a few, we just did lots and we had such a great time, and the fireworks were incredible. Absolutely incredible, and so was the parade as always. So yeah, we got lots and lots of candy. Shall we take a look?
Make it rain candy!
Let's have a look how much we got. Oh, wowzers. Whose is all that candy for?
Jewelry.
Let me!
Wow. That's a lot of candy.
Oh, can I have this quickly?
No. This is such a stunning resort. When you come in, you get greeted by just this. It's just beautiful. You've got registration and guest services in here. And again, absolutely stunning. I was completely blown away when I first walked into here. Cute kids area for watching telly while you're dealing with guest services and checking in. It's just a stunning resort. Good morning guys, heading to Blizzard Beach this morning. I leave Crazy Grandad at home today. He's gone for a walk around the resorts. Really excited about coming here, however, it looks like some grey skies ahead. Let's see what happens. Let's hope we don't get chucked out with thunderstorms. This park was one of the very first water parks I ever went to, and it's awesome. Lagoon. We just had lunch. We had chicken nuggets here, always a winner. Hi guys, so we're still at Blizzard Beach having a great time. Just had lunch. Lunch options are a little bit fussier here. You've got to go to lots of different places. Yeah, just for a bit more variety. The chicken nuggets are always a winner. I had a chicken rice bowl. Yeah, it was alright, but it wasn't the best chicken in the world, so I wouldn't go again. Having a fantastic time. There were storms this morning, so we had to stop at the pool for about the best part of about 45 minutes. But now the kids are happy playing, the slides are fantastic. David and Emily have done Summit Plummet, and Harry's had fun in the kids area. So we're having a great day. Yeah. So this is the water area at Blizzard Beach. It's a little bit smaller than Typhoon Lagoon. The waves are pretty much like sea waves, but you can bob about in rings. The kids love it though. No giant waves here, just lots of fun to be had. And we're sat here on this nice little beach. So you can walk up the mountain, but the kids want to get the ski lift up. Goes all the way up to the top.
I think Dad wants to go on it a bit more. We have to jump on it.
Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget it.
Welcome to Blizzard Beach. There's so much to do here.
I like this part.
Is that your favourite bit?
Yeah.
This bit there? Here's the kids section. It's Ski Patrol Camp. So much to do. That's the zip wire. Is that your favourite bit? Okay. It's so fun here. Absolutely love the theming. And I got to meet Goofy too. Had an awesome day at Blizzard Beach today. The hurricane, that's because he's talking about hurricanes coming. The thunderstorm this morning didn't put a dampener on things. We stayed, waited it out, like I said before, and we've had an absolutely awesome day. Just heading back. These guys are tucking into some ice creams. Just heading for the bus right now. Cool park. My favourite Typhoon Lagoon, but I think these guys like Blizzard Beach the best. I think it's a 50-50 split really. Yep, absolutely fantastic day. Just gonna go find Crazy Grandad because we left him at home today. Catch you later. Bye. Absolutely love Mousekeeping. You come home and the teddies are watching telly. What's that? Honestly, your teddies are naughty. They're watching telly all day.
What are you talking about? This isn't a teddy.
Well, Rex switched the telly on.
I am not a teddy.
Good evening guys, so we're all changed, fresh and ready for an evening ahead. David and I are going out by ourselves, the kids are staying with Crazy Grandad at the resort. We're off to Epcot tonight. I know I said it was my last visit last time, but we had a bit of change of plans and I do want to do it again, so we're off to Epcot. Get a few drinks before our dinner at the Coral Reef and then maybe do a monorail loop and go to some of the Magic Kingdom resort area ones. Hotels, so yeah, we'll see you in Epcot. Bye! We've made it into Epcot. Wow, it's warm. I do love this park. I used to hate it as a kid, but I think growing up as our life, I love it. It's such a beautiful park. I can't wait to see what the changes are with this area of the land though. Food and Wine Festival starts tomorrow. So, it'll have already started by the time you watch this vlog. Same day as Star Wars Land. Interesting. Waiting for one of these from here all holiday. How to keep the wife happy. I've been waiting all holiday for one of these. Frozen margarita. Cheers. That's good. I bought these.
Yeah.
To keep my life.
Yeah.
What does it say? That's not at me though. It needs to be higher.
Strong-willed, egotistical type.
Comedy's not gonna work. fantastic view. Go! The menu looks awesome. Feels a bit cruel eating fish while in a fish restaurant, but hey. He's watching you. Oh my god, it's so strange. It's literally watching us while we eat. Oi, get off your phone, it's supposed to be a romantic meal. Cheers. Mojito.